What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevrolet S10 remote key fob. This Chevy S10 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to change this battery is a quarter. We'll use this to get the key fob case open. So if we grab our key fob and we look down here near the key ring, off to the one side we see there's this notch right here, and this notch is the perfect size for a quarter to fit in it, like that. So what I'm going to do is make sure my quarter is pushed all the way in that notch, then I'm going to twist the quarter, and as I do that you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull the two halves apart, and then in the back half we see our battery right here, and most of the time you can just get this out with a finger like that. If you're unable to use your finger, you can use a small screwdriver or something similar. But once we get our old battery out, we can then install our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, the side that has this metal clip in it. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.